A warm welcome to everyone. We are the Uncharted team from Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. Our project mentor is Mr. Gokul from Mechanical Department and myself, Dhanush from BTech AI and Data Science. And my fellow teammate Arun Praveen is from Mechanical Department. Our project title is Transportation Drones. Drones are known as unmanned aerial vehicle and aircraft without a human pilot. That they are a variety of military, consumer and enterprise use cases. Autonomous drones take off carry out various missions other than photography. In this project, we have decided to make a transportation drone. Uses of these drones are autonomous, remotely controlled, also be used as an air ambulance for an emergency. They can deliver things to the customers, also can be used to carry essentials to the warfield, etc. You may think, why these drones preferred over human deliveries? Drones travel faster as there are no hurdles in the air and can go to places where human delivery is unavailable. Now, my fellow mate Arun Praveen will explain the parts used in this project.
Now let's see about the parts in detail. Motors. There are many varieties of brushless motors varying from high to low kV, such as 1000, 1400, 1800, 2000 kV, etc. Capacity of the motor to be used can be determined by the usage of the drone. For example, a high kV motor is a good efficient, spins at high revolutions, whereas a low kV motor have a good torque. So in order to make a drone carry weights, it must be equipped with a lower kV motor. Frames used here is of a quadruped shape. Quadruped means there are four arms holding four motors, which must be made of bars with light metals like aluminium. Motors must be aligned perfectly in order to get a stable flight. Battery capacity must be quite larger, that is approximately above 5000 mAh for long flight range. Coming to the next, we have a carrier and a camera at the bottom. Camera helps in providing the aerial view while flying, and the carrier is made of servos for holding luggages or anything else it's carrying. Transmitter receiver used here is FlySky, which is the most popular one among the DIY drones. Next, U-Blox M810 is a GPS compass module used while the drone is in autopilot mode to track the location or return home safely. Flight controller is essential in drones in order to be balanced in the air. Some of the demerits of using drones are flight time and flight range. It can be rectified by using a battery with higher capacity and lower weights, as we are trying to rectify these cons. Thank you.